Welcome to the Huntsman Outdoors. We're gonna do another fishing video and try to catch some more fishies. So let's go. Last time we went fishing, I think it was last time, we got some good fish and had them for dinner and they were really tasty. So yeah.
Alright guys, I just caught this nice little fish.
We got it on video, but it was time-lapsed from last occasion.
It's because I videoed you this one. He's a nice little guy. He's not that big. He's a pretty good size, you see. I'm gonna turn him back into the pond and keep fishing. I'm off for a shot right now because what am I doing? Water. So it's a good little fish. Bigger than you'll see that mouth. A big fish. Today I posted a video of Jackson catching 5-pound bass with his sisters Emmy and Lucy in South Carolina a couple years ago. Fish? It's a slow mover. Huh. I don't know. Well, that bait's definitely worked. It's a bomber bait. And a lot of our baits are bomber. Really good bait. Bait's got a heat rod hooked up with it, so see right there. Some bait. Keep fishing.
You mean nice big bait? It's
yeah,
a big bait.
That is what I mean.